while you do it.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely do they.
Is that your beautiful Christmas tree?
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. What's your favorite ornament?
I want to put one of those on my Christmas tree.
What?
Those pine cones are so pretty.
Okay.
And those candy canes too.
Okay, sure. Just a minute.
Hey, Mom, you're the best.
I know. All right. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it. I might have to open this. Here you go. Hold on. There you go. Show the camera. Come here. Right here. Show the camera. Show me. Oh, you're going to put it on your Christmas tree? Oh, we need to put more lights on that little tree. Perfect. Okay, come on.
I'm going to put a cake on it too.
Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
First say, this is Christmas 2011.
This is Christmas
2011. Show me your Christmas hat. Go put it on.
Is this it?
Yes. The one that says princess. Hold on, let me fix it.
Ho, 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 ho.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Now go stand next to your Christmas tree.
Christmas.
Go stand, no, next to the big Christmas tree. Stand up on that. With your hat. Oh, hold on. Okay, ready? No. No, seriously. Hold on. Say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
I don't want to laugh by Christmas.
Sing it.
No?
Okay. Say, what do you want for Christmas this year?
Mickey.
You want Mickey Mouse? What else?
Minnie.
Okay, anything else?
Goofy.
What did you tell Santa Claus that you wanted?
Tuna fish.
A tuna fish. Why is your nose blue?
Because
What did you do?
Micah.
What?
Micah.
You put a marker on your nose? All right.